So you got an Australian Brad. He broke up with his chick, and he decided to get her back for a breakup. And I know this video been out a little while, but when I seen this, I'm sorry, I had to laugh at this one. Let's go ahead and roll that clip.
A Cairns mother has been forced to block dozens of calls after her ex-partner allegedly took her phone number and plastered it on poles here around the CBD, telling people to call up and impersonate Chewbacca for a chance to win $100.
This would be the most childish breakup I've ever had. Like, all he had to do was be mature and go, I don't love you anymore, I want to move on.
The calls have been waking her and her 3 young children up at odd hours in the evening, and they're yet to stop.
I won $500.
Boy, Brad, I tell you what, Brad, he pulled some stunts, boy. I mean, that is so, I ain't think of nothing like that. I mean, I wouldn't waste my time. I mean, if I'm not with you no more, I'm not with you. But this dude sit up here and say, how can I sit up there and get other people to start messing with her? So he go print up a whole flyer so you can win some money if you just start sounding like Chewbacca on the phone as you play the messages. I'm like, I was like, Brad in Australia, you're doing too much, Brad. Let that woman alone, man. That woman need to move on with her kids, man. Shoot. You ain't got to do that, Brad. Come on now. Some of y'all so petty out here, boy. Y'all are petty. Petty. Just look, let the woman go. Get you another one, Brad. Get you another one. I'm pretty sure it's more of them in Australia for you. But I want to just show y'all this crazy, short video real quick about some people just don't know how to take, well enough alone. They don't want to leave things alone. They want to just get back at somebody. I could be petty too, but my petty it's a righteous petty. I'm not just petty to be mean. No. I'm gonna be petty. I'm gonna make sure it's something that's is godly when I be petty. And you gonna know, yeah, I deserve that one. See, that's my kind of petty right there. But let me know in the comments y'all think about this dude here. Got all these people calling this woman phone, sound like Chewbacca. Boy, this dude wild.